Continuing with the Visual Basic, this video we are going to learn about the simple program, creation of the simple program in the Visual Basic. How we can do that is, the first step is we need to go to the start button, click on the all programs, then you will get the option of Microsoft Visual Basic 6.0. Click on that and again you will get the same option of Microsoft Visual Basic 6.0. Click on that. As soon as you click on that, a window will appear, a Visual Basic window will appear, and the window looks something like this. This is the Visual Basic window that will appear, and after that you have to click on the standard exe option. In the standard exe option you will get one more option of the new project window. As soon as this new project window appears, you will be prompted with a form. Now the next step is we are going to design the form. By designing the form, how does designing the form can be done? The designing of the form will be done by placing the objects from the toolbox onto the form. So we are going to create a simple project with the label, with the text box and a command button. So we'll click on the label tool from the toolbox. This is the icon for the label tool, and we will drag it onto the form, and this label will be pressed on that. Then you will change the caption, and the caption will be changed from the Properties Explorer window. We will make the caption as enter your name. After that we will click on the text box. This is the icon for the text box from the toolbox, and we will also drag it onto the form front of the label. And again we are going to change the property of the text one. We will click on the Properties Explorer. We will delete the name text one. Then the third thing we are going to do is we will click on the command button. We will place it onto the form from the toolbox, and again we are going to change the properties from the Properties Explorer of the caption, and in place of caption we will write hello. And when we do this, we will get the form just like this. We have placed a label, we have placed a text box, we have placed a command button. Now this label was placed from here. When we clicked on this, dragged it, this appears here. Similarly, this is the text box. We clicked on this and dragged it over here. It created a text box. Then this is the command button. When clicked on this and put it over here, this becomes the command button. And to change every of the properties, here is the property window. We have changed the property, the caption of each control from this properties window. The label button we made as enter your name. Text box, we deleted the property of text 1. Hello, we changed the caption to, the command 1 caption we made to hello. So this way we have created. But this is just a simple creation of the form. Still, we have not written any command for this. We have not done the coding for this. Now the next step is to do the coding for this. And the coding that we are going to do is only for the command button, not for this, not for this. We will be running this application through this command button. So therefore the coding is to be done for this command. What we are going to do is we will double click on this command button. As soon as we double click, we will be prompted to the code window. So this is the code window that will open when we click on the hello command button. Here you can see it is written private sub command 1 click. Whatever the coding you are going to do is that you are going to do between the end sub and the private sub command. What we are going to do is we are going to display a message box on clicking on this button. So to display the message box, we have the command msg box. So write down msg box, and the message that you want to display, we have written hello, then plus text1.text. Text1.text means that whatever text will be displayed in your text box that you have created just now. So when you will execute this, a message will appear hello and whatever the name you have entered in that. When you finish this, you will close it, and then we need to run this. Now to run this we need to click on the run button on the toolbar, and as soon as you click on the run button, you will get such sort of output. It is written enter your name here. This is blank and hello is written. You will enter your name, like here Sanjeev Thakur is written. As soon as this is run, you will get this message box, hello Sanjeev Thakur. Hello is the text that we have already given, and Sanjeev Thakur came from the coding that is written as text1.text. This text1.text was Sanjeev Thakur now. So therefore we received the message in the box, hello Sanjeev Thakur. And now, how can we save a project form? To save a project form, we have to go to the file menu, click on the save project as. When you click on this save project as, you will be prompted with this box, save as dialog box. Write down the name of your form over here. Click on the save button. When you click on the save button, your project form will get saved. Project form save हो जाएगा, and this way we can save our project. I hope you all understood it well. Thank you.